Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add an app icon in your DroidScript application. Okay, so first, let's go to our Wi-Fi IDE. I have here my Wi-Fi IDE opened and it is currently connected to my mobile phone. I'll choose a native application. So let's create a native application. And this one, I will create like, say for example, Bell. So the name of my app is Bell. Okay, simple and okay. Okay, so I have successfully created my application here, Bell. Okay, so to add an app icon to this app of mine, Bell, I will open this one and go to this assets folder. So in the assets folder, we have here folders, images, sounds, HTML, and miscellaneous folder. Okay, so in this image folder, I will upload the app icon for this Bell app that I have. Okay, so please note that the name of your app icon is this, or app image or app icon image is the same as the name of your application. Okay, so I have here my custom icon. So I will upload this one in this images folder. Okay, so as I have said earlier, the name of your application must be the same as the name of your application icon or your icon image. So here, we will rename this one into Bell. Okay, just like that. This is case sensitive, so make sure to check the spelling and the cases of the letters. Make sure also that the type of image is PNG. Okay, so the MIME type is image PNG and not a JPEG or other types of images. Okay, so okay. And then if I'll go back to my homepage, this is the application without icon. If I refresh this page or this Wi-Fi IDE, it should render the bell icon which I have uploaded. Okay, let's wait for this loading to finish. Okay, so in our home page, we now have an icon for our application. So that's how easy it is to add an application icon for your DroidScript apps. Okay, thank you guys.